Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix iPhone notification not working. Here are two basic methods to fix iPhone notifications not working. First method, check notification settings. Open Settings, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then choose Notifications and choose the app where notifications are not working, for example, CapCut app. Enable notifications. Ensure the toggle for Allow Notifications is turned on. Check alerts. Make sure lock screen, notification center, and banners are selected. Also, verify that sounds and badges are enabled if needed. Last method, restart and update your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slide appears. Slide to power off. Then, turn your iPhone back on by pressing and holding the side button. Now, check for iOS updates. Just head over to Settings again, General, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Additional tips: ensure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is turned off in Settings, Focus. Check the app's notification settings within the app itself for additional options. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.